Hey guys, today I'm doing a video review on this PowerUp iPhone charger. It's compatible with iPhone, iPad, and iPod, and this is 6 feet long, and the color I got today is black, and it's wired, braided right here. It's braided, and it charges super fast. So I got it on Amazon.com, and the product is by PowerUp. Right here, it fits into the iPhone's it fits into any iPhone 6, I'm sorry, iPhone 5 and above, and the iPad mini, and the iPod touch, and the iPad 4th generation, and the iPad Pro also. It fits through it because, you know, with the USB right here. So I got it on Amazon.com. Just check it out. I provided the link on the bottom. Thank you.